everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a milkshake. We just need 4 strawberries, a cup of milk, some maple syrup, an ice cream that we made last time, and a mixer. Now we're going to put all the 4 strawberry in this big cup. Now we're going to pour the milk in it. And now we put this cover on it. Now we're going to have the mixer and put this cup on it. And now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to put the ice cream that we made last time in this cup. If you like it to be a little more sweet, you can put some sugar. I am just going to do it to taste better, so I'm going to add some maple syrup. Now I'm just going to open this. Ooh, look at this color. And I'm gonna put 2 straws in it, and we can enjoy it. It's very good. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's on your left, and for the other videos, it's on your left. Bye bye.